Namaste, Vanakkam. Our Manonmaniam Sundara University has taken so much of steps regarding National Water Mission, Jal Shakti Abhiyan. पानी को वर्षा के लिए प्रोटेक्शन करने के लिए अब बहुत कार्यक्रम करते हूँ. आप एक बाय एक देखने को चाहते हो. So first step, removal of the encroachment on the catchment area. फिर removal of obstruction in canals, regeneration of the water bodies and plantation of the palm seeds, construction of the check dams and ponds. Excess water from the check dams will be collected in the big pond. Rainwater harvesting of pits and root of arrangements. Then reuse of the treated wastewater, reuse of water and recharging structures. Then plantation of the saplings in the drip irrigation manner. Then green campus with animals. Our campus we are having plenty of deers and peacock. Pahla steps, removal of the encroachment. So we started sapling with the help of the MRGS, 100 days employment schemes. We get the saplings from 2017 onwards. We started sapling. So at that time the saplings are very small. Now the saplings are grown well. So at that time also Seema Karvale also grown side by side. So we want to between the saplings we remove the obstructions just like the Seema Karvale with the help of the JCP, because we are not able to remove with the help of the human beings. So after cleaning the bushes, the trees are looking very beautiful manner. So these photos are taken near the sports department. This is near the Vice Chancellor's quarters. Then addition to that, we are having small stream in the university campus. So for strengthening that one, we remove the obstructions waiting for the raining. So we remove the obstructions. So this photo is taken near the women's hostel. Then added to that, we are having four small ponds and one big ponds. For strengthening that area, we planted palm seeds also. That also grown well. So this is the pond. This is the big pond near the professor's quarters. So at the time of raining, all the ponds are full of water. So this is one pond, this is one pond. So this one. Then this one is the big pond near the professor's quarters. The pond is full of water. In the university campus, we are having 2 check dams. We are coming under the control of Palayangotai Panchayat of Tirunelveli. So they started measurement on 2017 end, 18. They constructed the. So Aruna Pradapini and Mr. Alvar sir, both of them are engineers. They came here on Saturday and they measured the schemes and the place also. So then at the time, so this one is the constructed by 2. This one is in the back side of the English department. This one is in the front side of physics department. This is the two photos taken at the time of raining. So the two check dams are overflow. This one is in the back side of the English department. This one is the front side of physics department. So rainwater harvesting pits we are having each and every department. This is for the sample purpose. Then this one is the pits. So from the flow, from the pipe, the rainwater is coming. Then the water is saved here itself. They use the place for the vehicle parking. And in the professor's quarters, they are using the bathroom water for the, this one is for the coconut trees, they put it. Then this one is the another house. They are used for that purpose also. They haven't wasted anything. Then in the kitchen water also, they put it for the banana trees. Then here for the mint and the Therinator pachare, sabja, pudina. Then for the, in the ladies' hostel backside, we are having sewage water plant, very big manner. So it is in the processing, the constructions, the construction is going on. It will complete nearly within 1 month. It will completed. Then we can get large number of amount of water from here also that we can use it. We are having an idea to put the very greenery campus. Addition to that, in the university campus we are having 3 big wells. This one is in the front side of the sports department. So it is in the near the department. So we close the well also. It is full of water. Then for the trial access, we tried the air-conditioned outlet water for the sapling growth. So this is the first time. This is the registrar's secretariat. So this one is the AC water. So our staffs are helping us. So they put for the trial access, we put 2 part. Then it grows. So we put on the 2010 to 2020. After 27 days, so after 1 month, the seeds are grow very well in a very beautiful manner. It is ready for put in the another place. So the tree, so this part is having nearly 15 to 20 saplings. So we are having an idea to put in front of the department. So this one is for the Senkandal Malar. So this is Senkandal Malar is our state flower, Tamil Nadu state flower. So the stems are very sticky. So it is the creepers only. So it will blossom in the full rainy season only. It will blossom. Our university campus is having large number of blossoms of Senkandal. So we are having an idea to save the water with the drip irrigations. We implement also. So our staff members are putting so already the drip irrigation was put. So with the specific 15 meters length, we planted the saplings. So they are having the saplings here. All the sisters are helping us, see. So they put it under. So by that only we planted 450 saplings this area in the front of our campus. Then addition to that, our university is having the large number of deers. So see the large numbers of deers are crossing the roads. Then here it is there hiding there. Then these photos are taken in front of the women's hostel. See the deers are jumping, very beautiful. Then addition to that, our university having large number of peacock also. So the peacock is taking food. Then see that is wandering here and there. Then see the peacocks are sitting in the old building of the well. So see the peacock is dancing, very beautiful, attractive. So then our university has taking so many steps for harvesting the rain. So catch the rain when it falls and where it falls. So बहुत का काम करती हूँ वर्षा के पानी को प्रयत्न करने के लिए. सो आपका विद्यालय बहुत स्टेप्स टेकन करती हूँ. सो धन्यवाद. नमस्ते.